it's Morgan from WTI, and I love these adorable mushroom thumb grips for your Nintendo Switch. These are from the brand Ocanblu, and they are so cute. I love them. And it comes with 4 pieces, so you get 2 of the red and 2 of the brown, which is so fun. These are the perfect set of thumb grips for all you cozy gamers out there. I mean, look at them. They're adorable. The mushrooms are precious. The brown and white ones are my personal favorite because I love neutral accessories, but I love to switch it up with which colors I want to use. They're so complimentary and they look good with so many different colors. The mushrooms are raised a little bit so you can feel them. It feels so good when you play. They are so easy to put on. They go on super quick, just in a snap, and you are ready to go. I have been searching for the perfect, aesthetically pleasing thumb grips for my Switch. And when I found these, I was so excited. I bought them immediately. They're just so cute, so perfect. These are my favorite thumb grips ever, and that's my point of view.